Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Lavi's Crave. Thank you for coming back. And if you're just coming for the first time, this is Lavi's Crave. This is my vlog where I share my motherhood journey, my interactions with my kids, and some of the activities that we did together. So thank you for coming on. And I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed in the past few days. I see your subscriptions, I see your likes and comments. Thank you guys. And if you're new to the vlog, I want you to click on the subscription button. Please do it right now so you don't forget. Thank you. So today I'll be showing you a simple hairstyle that I stumbled on online. And yeah, I read somewhere it's from Zimbabwe, like it's an old school style from Zimbabwe, and people just basically reinvented it recently. And basically uses crochet that we use in knitting and the blunt needle. And yeah, you just, pass it in and out of your edge, just like you do when you're mending a dress. Yeah, so I'll be doing this on my daughter, and I'll be showing you every step that I go through in bringing this to come to pass. So see you in the next few seconds. So this is the knitting yarn that I bought for this hairstyle. There are different brands out there. You can buy whichever you prefer. You can also choose different colors as well. And this is a set of needles. They are all blunt needles, different types and shapes. You can go for whichever you want. And this is just basically how you thread the yarn through the needle. So I'm basically just getting the hair ready for the hairstyle, cutting lines that we're going to follow, putting some oil in the hair and all that. So this is me getting the hairstyle started. So you just start from the very tip so that all your edges are all in. So you just take the needle in and out of the hair. You go through the middle. Like I said, this process is entirely painless. Like I asked my daughter and she says she can't feel anything. So you just make sure that you gather all the hair together so it looks very neat. And you just try and pull it along as you go, not too tight, just minimally. And I just want to remind you, you don't need to be an expert to make this hairstyle. It's relatively easy to learn. And yeah, anyone can do this, I tell you. Just showing you another view here so you can see clearly what I've been doing. So like I said, we'll start from the very tip, try as much as possible to gather hair together, come in and out through the middle. So this is my second time doing this hairstyle for my daughter. It's relatively easy to learn. So just trust your instincts and go along slowly. Don't rush it. Yeah, and you get it fine. Trust me. I also noticed her hair texture became better after the first time she wore this hairstyle. So I definitely recommend it. And it's easy, very easy to take off. So now it's looking more like it. Yay. So I'm just trying to finish off the ends, trying to tuck them in, getting the extension ready to put on. Now we're adding some extension to the ends. So you can use whatever extension you like. And if you know how to do crochet braids, this will be very handy. It's a very handy skill here. So we use a crochet pin as usual. Yeah, so any sort of hair that you want, you can add to it.
So this is so rewarding, like seeing what you have done, especially when you've never been able to do something like this before. So I've never done braids so neat like this before, and I'm so proud of myself. And I know you can do it too. Yeah, you never know what you can do until you try. So I'm challenging you to make this hairstyle on someone, your daughter, your friend, someone, yeah, just to try it out. It's a very nice one. Oh, check it out. So beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. You can see what we're able to achieve. I challenge you to do this hairstyle for someone. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel so you can see my latest videos as soon as I drop them. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.